Did you know fish can cough? Okay, not like cough, but they do something pretty close. Fish suddenly blast water out of their gills like tiny underwater coughs. Why? To clear out dirt, sand, or any annoying parasites stuck inside. It's basically their way of saying, "Get out of my lungs." If the water is dirty, they might cough more often too. So that quick twitch or puff you see in an aquarium, that's not random. Your fish is literally cleaning its gills. No tissues, no covering their mouth, just a full-on underwater cough. Nature's wild. Even fish need to clear their throats.